Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register on Bittrex step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Bittrex website. Click on the sign up button located at the top right corner of the home page. You will be redirected to the registration page. Here, enter your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters. Read and accept the terms of service by checking the box provided. Next, click on the Create Account button to proceed. You will receive a verification email shortly after submitting your information. Open your email inbox and look for the verification email from Bittrex. Click on the link within the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Bittrex website. Log in with your registered email and password. After logging in, you may need to complete additional security steps. Set up two-factor authentication by following the on-screen instructions. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now, navigate to your account settings. Complete your profile by adding the necessary personal information. This may include your name, phone number, and address. Next, select the option for identity verification. Provide the requested identification documents as per Bittrex's guidelines. Once submitted, wait for the verification process to complete. This may take some time, so check your email for updates. After your account is verified, you can deposit funds and start trading. Congratulations, you have successfully registered on Bittrex. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features. Make sure to take security precautions to protect your account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.